sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
Talk about one of our favorite things in the motor home. See that little old rigid fan right there? That's the first fan that I found, that we found. First one we seen was at Home Depot. And I had a DeWalt drill and the batteries were going bad on, was going out on some batteries. So I just bought me a rigid set of drills and got the battery and bought this fan. Now that fan right there runs off of a battery. $59 for the fan. Now the batteries and the drills cost more than that, but $59 for that fan. Mama wanted that fan for baseball. She'd haul that fan. Now, I've seen a bunch of those fans out at baseball games now. You can buy all kinds. DeWalt has one, Ryobi has one. But rigid was the first one I ever saw with one, and I bought that because that was for Mama. But I really got a good drill out the deal with that, because that rigid drill is really a good drill. But the great thing I like about this one, you just plug an extension cord into the back side of it and run it off 110. Or you plug that battery in and runs. You just plug a cord into the back and run off 110. You don't have to waste your batteries. Hey, that's one of our best things. We've done away with all the other fans in our motorhome. We just got that one fan. You can take it to the baseball game. You can take it to the beach. You can take it fishing. You can take it wherever you need it to be cool, have a little breeze blowing. Hey, that's one of the favorite things that we like in our motorhome. What, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Huh?
It's on, ain't it?
Huh?
It's on, ain't it?
It's on Mama right now. Hey, it's the middle of January. We probably the only folks in the world go from the heater to the air conditioning in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Huh?
But I would be turning it off when it gets dark.
Yeah, it cool up, so you have to cool it. You have to turn it down whenever it gets cool.
But if I wash dishes, I get hot, running the iron, just doing anything. So it helps me than having to change the thermostat. Because his thermostat ain't like mine.
Yeah, I don't run hot and cold as quick as she does. She runs from hot and cold right now. Hey, this is a confession of a tater chip holic. I'm a chipaholic. I like my tater chips, and I spend money on them. They're expensive, too, because you can buy a potato for a little bit of nothing. But, hey, when you buy them fried in a bag, they cost you. I tell her, Mama, I went to McDonald's this morning, bought us a quick breakfast. Most expensive thing in the bag was I bought her a hash brown. And it was $1.79 for a little old 3 ounces of potato. And you can buy a 5-pound potato at the store for $2.39. Hey, ridiculous with that hash brown. Baby doll said she gonna go on a hunger strike against hash browns.
I ain't having another one.
Huh?
I ain't buying none for that.
You ain't buying none for that? We can cook them, huh? One of my other favorite things in the motor home, and I bought a standalone ice maker when I had that fifth wheel. We had ice trays. I bought a standalone ice maker. And I love an ice maker. That's one of my favorite things about this motorhome right here is that ice maker, and it makes lots of ice. Now, it'll frost up back there. And then once in a while, you just have to dump your ice and start over to get so frosty. But I like my ice maker. There's a few things I like about makes it comfortable and feel like home, living in a motorhome. Number one right there is a recliner.
We took the couch out.
We took the couch out and put us a recliner in. Because, hey, recliners are comfortable. You can sleep in them.
We just don't have a lot of room for company, but we don't have a lot of company.
Don't have a lot of company now. We can turn those chairs around and sit in these chairs if we have a little company. But hey, those recliners make it feel like home. Make it feel like home. And you can always repurpose a piece of furniture if you need some more storage space. We had that lingerie chest, and I brought it and set it right there and just tied it there with an angle strap.
It goes to one of my bedroom suits.
And tied it down there with another angle strap. And she got all kind of room in there now. That's my junk drawer. I got a junk drawer out of it. She got 2, 4, 5 drawers, and I got one junk drawer. So we've had a good time. What?
Goodbye, world, goodbye.
I ain't played in a while.
and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.